Good evening. Today I'll be talking about an assignment that I wrote on IT law. Short notes. Cyber Appellate Tribunal. Section 48 explains how the Cyber Appellate Tribunal will be established. The central government will issue a notification establishing one or more cyber appellate tribunals. This section explains the presiding officer of the Cyber Appellate Tribunal, who will be nominated by the central government, who will be the sole member of the Cyber Appellate Tribunal. The Appellate Tribunal has been formed into a multi-member body. The tribunal will henceforth be composed of a chairperson and as many additional members as the central government may designate by publication in the official gazette. The central government, in collaboration with the Chief Justice of India, selects the chairperson and members of the tribunal. The tribunal's financial presiding officer is now known as the chairperson. Adjudicating officer. One of the salient features of the Information Technology Act 2000 is the appointment of an adjudicating officer, who should not be less than that rank of a director to the Government of India. It shall be adjudicate whether a person has committed a contravention of any of the provisions of this act or any rule, regulation, direction, or order, and shall hold an inquiry in the manners prescribed by the central government. Further, the adjudicating officer is vested with the power of a civil court to adjudicate any matter before it. Under Section 46 of the IT Act, the power to adjudicate has been specifically enshrined and enshrouded for the purpose of judging under this chapter. Power to adjudicate under Section 46(1) of the IT Act 2000 are appoint an adjudicating officer for the purpose of judging under Chapter 9 whether any person has violated any of the provisions of the Act, rendering him liable to pay penalty or compensation. The adjudicating officer shall have the power to hold an inquiry to adjudge the complaint being filed. Certifying authority. The IT Act accommodates the controller of certifying authorities to permit and direct the working of the certifying authorities. Certifying authorities issues computerized signatures, testaments for electronic confirmation of clients. The controller of certifying authorities has been named by the central government under Section 12 and 17 of the Act for reasons of the IT Act. The office of the CCA appeared on November 1st, 2000. It targets advancing of the development of e-commerce and e-governance through the code utilization of computerized mark. The controller of certifying authorities has set up the root certifying authority of independence segments, section 18B of the IT Act, to carefully sign the open key of certifying authorities of the nation. Cybercrime investigation. Cybercrime investigation is a process of identifying, analyzing, and mitigating computer-based crimes and other forms of malicious authorities that occur in cyberspace. It involves the use of specialized tools and identifying theft. The central investigation process is conducted by cybercrime investigators, who are responsible for conducting thorough and accurate conversation and investigation, preserving evidence, and collaborating with law enforcement agencies such as hacking, theft, phishing, malware, and identity theft. The investigation process is conducted by cybercrime investigators, who are responsible for conducting thorough and accurate investigation to bring cybercriminals to justice. The importance of cybercrime investigation cannot be overstated, as cybercrime continues to evolve and pose significant risk to businesses, government, and individuals around the world. Cybercrime investigation is a complex and constantly evolving file as new threats and technologies emerge.